Good day, everyone. Today, I will be presenting information all about myself, all about me. Hi, my name is Meru Jimel P. Gaviola, but you can call me MG. I'm 15 years old and currently living in Kuwait, but my hometown is a beautiful town in Manawag, Pangasinan, Philippines. I'm a simple girl who loves learning new things and spending time with my family and friends. My birthday and birthplace. I was born on April 23, 2010, in state of Kuwait. Every birthday reminds me how grateful I am for another year to grow, learn, and become better. My family. I have a loving and supportive family. My parents guide me in everything I do and inspire me to always do my best. I'm thankful for the laughter, lessons, and love that we share every day. My pets. I really love animals. At home, I enjoy spending time with my pet. They make me happy and help me relax after a long day. During my free time, I like cooking with my mom, listening to music, watching movies, biking during weekends with my parents, studying and learning online. These hobbies make me feel relaxed and creative. My favorite foods. Here are my top 3 favorite dishes. Buttered shrimp, ginisang sardines with spinach, tinolang manok with papaya and dahon ng sili. These foods remind me of home and family meals in the Philippines. My personality. I'm friendly, respectful, and hardworking. I love helping others and making new friends. I believe that kindness and positivity can make the world a better place. My role models. My parents are my greatest role models. They are patient, responsible, and caring. I want to grow up like them, strong, loving, and hardworking. My favorite subjects. I enjoy science and English the most. Science helps me understand how things work, while English helps me express myself better. My best friends. I'm thankful for my best friends who always support me. We are living in the same building here in Kuwait. We laugh, share stories, and study together. My best friend loves pop music, and we both enjoy listening to songs that lift our mood. My favorite music and singer. My favorite song is Count on Me by Bruno Mars. It reminds me of the importance of friendship and loyalty. I also enjoy listening to happy, relaxing music while studying. My favorite movie. One of my favorite movies is Inside Out. It helps me understand emotions and reminds me that it's okay to feel sad sometimes. Every emotion is important. My dreams. My biggest dream is to become a registered nurse someday. I want to help sick people and make a difference in their lives. Caring for others is something that makes me truly happy. My favorite places. I love visiting beaches and quiet places where I can relax and think. Someday, I hope to travel around the Philippines and other countries with my family. My favorite quote. Be kind whenever possible. It is always possible. Dalai Lama. I believe kindness is a powerful way to make the world brighter. Thank you for viewing my presentation. This is all about me. Mero Jimel P. Gaviola. I hope you enjoyed learning about my life, my family, and my dreams.